What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And I haven't done a slide review since Yeezy. Well, it was them Billie Eilish Jordan Mule joints that I tried. But yeah, man, since Yeezy, I haven't done a slide, man. So today in 4K, we're gonna review the Kobe Offcourt slide. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Y'all know I'm a huge Kobe fan. That's my goal. But I buy so much Kobe stuff that I'll never wear and I never put on. Just sits and collect dust, things of that nature. So I kind of be off on buying Kobe stuff. But crazy discount on these slides after some kind of code. I think it was like Flash 30 on Foot Locker. I got them for $30, man. So we gonna put them to use, man. Hit the B-roll. I ain't gonna lie, man. Super comfortable, dope look. I love how they incorporate that Mamba snake skin and everything Kobe going forward. I love it. But more importantly, very, very comfortable, man. We don't do too much long talking, man. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So they come in your regular Nike slide box, but of course you get a Mamba logo, Kobe signature. But mostly every Nike slide that I've brought, from the Scarface joints, almost everyone comes in this size box. This one just happens to be a Kobe box, which is dope. Got the Nike logo there, Kobe logo there. I guess that's a Foot Locker sticker. And it reads Kobe Offcourt slide, lightning/black. I went with a size 11. I wear 10.5 in sneakers. So with the slides, I kind of either go 10 or 11. If I go with the 10, then I gotta, get my foot in there to make it comfortable. With the 11, straight sliding, man. When you finally get the box together, it does come with this. Now, if you bought slides before or any kind of slippers, you usually just get this part of the slide. But with Nike, sometimes they incorporate a box, which is dope. But this is dope just to have, man. Get a Mamba logo and a Nike logo on there too. Very sturdy too, not flimsy. And here's a 360 or whole look around of the slide, man. They so light that you could just move it anywhere, man. So let's start with the elephant in the room. Of course, you get the big Mamba logo at the top. But if you look behind it, you see the Mamba snake skin slithering back there, man. And it's as soft as it looks, guys. As soft as it looks, man. You see the material around it, this black material. Feels like a pillow, guys. Super soft, man. But what makes a slide very comfortable is when the bottom is soft. And that's what you get here, man. Just a soft bottom, man. More comfortable than the Yeezy slides, to be honest with you guys, man. As you see right here in the back, see if the camera can pick it up, it says Revive Foam. And that's exactly what it feels like. It looks like SpongeBob look. This is soft, man. The bottom's even soft, guys. Got your Nike logo there. Got another Nike logo there. But just look how the foam is on the top, and then at the bottom, it gets bigger. Dope look, man. But that snake skin, it stands out to me, man. You get a tag in here, it says made in Vietnam with the sizing in it. So that was the left. This is the right here. On the right, you get a sticker here letting you know it's been made with synthetic leather. I didn't really see leather accents on this at all. I wouldn't have said leather at all. I just see a lot of foam, man. You do get this part here, your toe divider. So that's dope also. And this one has a tag on it that reads Kobe Offcourt slide, QR code, all that good stuff. The Nike's embedded inside. Like, you see that? Like, that's dope, man. I like that. It's carved out, the swoosh. Yes, sir, man. So y'all know I'm all things Kobe. I have over 20 jerseys, bobbleheads, His sneakers I wasn't into when he was alive. Like I remember getting the Grinches when he was alive, the red ornament joints that just restocked, came back out, and the white the Kobe's. I wasn't. I've been straight Jordan all my life, fam. When it came to sneakers, but after his passing, I was able to get like the I can't name them. I was able to get a lot, man. Reverse Grinches, all that stuff, man. But y'all know what Kobe mean to me, man. And these slides are dope. These slides are comfortable, man. And I had to get them. Plus, I got them at a steal, so I had to get them. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. They do make a black pair, I believe, and a white pair. But the yellow one was just like a no-brainer to me, man. It goes with all my Laker gear, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.